Okay, hello, good morning. Today you join myself from Bratislava train station. Simon is over there somewhere. He's still here, don't worry. Where we are now leaving Slovakia. It was quite a hurry get out of the hostel this morning and we still missed the train anyway. But that's okay because it means you get to see this brilliant intro that I'm recording right now. But James, why are you at this Bratislava train station with your bag? Well, that is because, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to Hungary. We're out in the sticks, mate. First breath on Hungarian soil. Hungarian. Crazy dog. We made it. Welcome to Budapest. What's up, Hungary, mate? Metro to the bus. Hostel, I guess, is on the first floor. We made it into the hostel. We're the only ones in the room at the minute. Budapest hostel. It's not too shabby actually, it's quite nice. Got my little bed, Simon's over there, across the way. Alright, we're freshened up. Can finally go out and hit Budapest. Simon's ready. So,
yep.
Alley Budapest. Are you coming fast? Wait a minute! Yeah, I'll say your thing. Wait a minute!
The technician.
C'est mon ami français. Sinon? Lauriane. We're out here in Budapest, first night, on a beautiful bridge. It's parfait, no?
C'est parfait.
Oui, c'est bon.
Ça va?
We're getting munch.
It's amazing. Bon appétit.
Bon app. Budapest, day 2. This is our absolutely lovely view from the hostel. Look at that. Unreal if you ask me, Jeff. Double decent, mate. Simon's ready? Ready and steady?
I do. Vamos.
We're gonna go and explore a local park near the baths, assess the situation, grab some lunch, that kind of thing. Vamos Budapest, first full day. Wrong side. Yeah. We're so back. If you're looking for me, I'll be on the block with the pink cup. We're in the park now.
Fucking herbal.
Holy fucking herbal. Guys, if you didn't know, we were in Budapest. Feeling pretty hungry. Feeling a little hungry. Just had some lunch. Now we're going to the castle place to meet some people we met yesterday. And then we're going to the baths later, I think. So yeah, we're just walking back now. It is. Okay, so you've had a change of plan.
We're now going to
The Prosecco boat tour.
yes, sir. Unlimited Prosecco for 75 minutes.
What more could you want? Prosecco boat tour time, mate. Bonjour! Florian has joined us. We're back. Boats and Prosecco. Allez.
Take one for you. Cheers. So we're here in Budapest for tonight. It's a beautiful cruise.
Alright, we're out in Budapest boat tour. If you're not here, where the hell are you, mate? I'm not gonna lie. And on that bombshell, cheers. Okay, boat tour, Vinny. Well, how was the boat tour? You enjoyed the boat tour?
Yeah, it was cool. The Prosecco was good.
It was definitely good, actually. Guess who's bloody here? You're never gonna guess it. Whee!
Bon appétit.
Munching on bare cheese right here. We're gonna munch and then we're gonna go Alibaba. Alright, we are in the bar. Simon's eating a bloody carrot. You got a carrot, Mike! You know what happens when James and Simon get to the club with a couple mics? It's interview time, maybe. These guys want to be in an interview.
We're from Lincoln.
Bloody Lincoln! How's Budapest? What are you doing? Where have you been travelling?
We are going around looking at lots of bars and drinking lots of European beer. So far we found the Dark Star Ramen, 32p.
Fucking hell, boys. Wait, how many of you are there?
8 of us.
8 of us?
Yeah.
Fucking the British lads are on tour right now.
Yeah.
Absolute pleasure, lads.
Take care. Nice to meet you. Good luck on the YouTube.
Thank you, brother. Enjoy. We are with
Elena, Julia.
How long have you been travelling for?
5 days.
Yes. Oui. On a scale of 1 to hungry, how hungry are you? Alright, who's next? Who's next? Do you want to be in an interview or no?
Yes.
Yeah? Where are you from? Where are you guys from?
We're from Italy.
From Italy.
Italy! Where in Italy?
Naples.
Naples. Why are you in Hungary?
The birthday of our friends here because I love the girls from Hungary.
Ready for culture, Hungarian ladies,
Culture! Ladies, culture!
and also Hungarian ladies.
What's your name, bro?
My name is Emanuele.
Emanuele. Grazie mille, Emanuele.
Grazie a te, Fra, grazie a te.
Thank you so much, bro. And on that bombshell, we're over and out in Hungary. Simon is full to the brim. What's that?